Namaste and welcome to GAP. Today we are going to discuss about Bandipur Tiger Reserve and recent news of tiger census in India. In the end we will tell you about why night traffic is banned in Bandipur National Reserve. So, be with us in this exciting and informational journey. But before we start, let's understand the location of Bandipur National Reserve. Bandipur Tiger Reserve is located in the southern Indian state of Karnataka, near the border with the neighboring state of Tamil Nadu. It is situated in the foothills of the Western Ghats and covers an area of 874 square kilometers. The reserve is approximately 220 kilometers southwest of Bangalore, the capital city of Karnataka, and is easily accessible by road. The nearest major town is Gundlupet, which is about 20 kilometers from the reserve. The park is bordered by the Kabini River in the north and the Moyar in the south. The Nugu River runs through the park. Now, we will understand about Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Bandipur Tiger Reserve was established in 1974 as a national park and later designated as a tiger reserve in 1985 under the Project Tiger initiative. It covers an area of 874 square kilometers and is situated in the foothills of the Western Ghats. It is part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve since 1986. The Maharaja of Mysore created a sanctuary of 90 square kilometer in 1931 and named it the Venugopala Wildlife Park. The Bandipur Tiger Reserve was established under Project Tiger in 1973 by adding nearly 800 square kilometer to the Venugopala Wildlife Park. The Bandipur Tiger Reserve is known for its rich biodiversity and is home to several endangered species, including tigers, Indian elephants, gars, sloth bears, dholes, and several species of deer and primates. It is also home to over 200 species of birds. The vegetation in the reserve is predominantly dry deciduous and moist deciduous forests, with some areas of scrubland and grasslands. The Forest Department has also undertaken measures to promote the growth of bamboo and other plants to increase the food supply for herbivores. The reserve is open to visitors, and there are several safari options available, including jeep safaris, elephant safaris, and nature walks. Visitors can also visit the Bandipur National Park Interpretation Center to learn more about the flora and fauna of the region. However, visitors are required to follow certain rules and regulations to ensure the safety of the wildlife and the conservation of the ecosystem. On 9th April 2023, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi commemorate 50 years of Project Tiger in Mysore, Karnataka. Launches International Big Cats Alliance, IBCA, and Vision for Tiger Conservation during Amrit Kal Ka Vision for Tiger Conservation. Released commemorative coin and several publications about tiger conservation. PM Modi also released the latest tiger census data and said India's tiger population rose by 200 in the past 4 years to reach 3,167 in 2022. According to the data, the tiger population was 1,411 in 2006, 1,706 in 2010, 2,226 in 2014, 2,967 in 2018 and 3,167 in 2022. PM Modi interacted with frontline field staff and self-help groups involved in the conservation activities and visit the Bandipur Tiger Reserve and Thepakdu Elephant Camp in Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. PM Modi also interacted with Bomman and Bailey, along with Bami and Raghu. They were famous because of the Oscar-winning movie The Elephant Whisperers. If you want to know more about International Big Cats Alliance, IBCA, you can watch our previous video about International Big Cats Alliance, IBCA, on our YouTube channel. The Prime Minister shared a few photos from his visit to the Bandipur Tiger Reserve, where he covered about 20 kilometers distance in an open jeep during the safari as part of programs to mark the completion of the 50th anniversary of Project Tiger. Why night traffic through Bandipur National Reserve is banned? The National Highway 181 and 766, which passes through the reserve, was a major cause of concern as it posed a significant threat to the wildlife in spite of frequent warnings to travelers from the Forest Department officials. Rodiranga, Karnataka's most loved elephant, was died in a road accident. The 48-year-old elephant was killed after it was hit by a speeding bus near Mathigodu Elephant Camp in Thitimathi on Mysore-Kannur State Highway. Ranga had been nicknamed Rodi for his rude behavior. After this tragic incident, the government of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu agreed to ban night traffic in the forest. The ban on night traffic has been successful in reducing the number of road accidents involving wildlife and has allowed the animals to move more freely and safely within the reserve. Now, it's time to conclude today's session. India is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including 7 big cats, tiger, lion, jaguar, leopard, snow leopard, cheetah and puma, elephants, rhinos and many other species. However, there is still a long way to go to ensure the long-term survival of wildlife in India. It is essential to promote sustainable development that balances the needs of local communities with those of wildlife, increase awareness and education about the importance of conservation, and strengthen law enforcement and anti-poaching efforts. So, this brings to the end of today's session. I hope I have been able to make you understand about Bandipur Tiger Reserve and recent news of tiger census in India. If you have any questions for us, you can comment in the comment section or email us. We would be happy to help. Thank you for your time. Stay safe and stay happy.